Hello children, welcome back again in your maths class. Today's topic is big and small. Would you like to know the difference between big and small? You know students, big means bada and small means chota. Big means bada and small means chota. We will learn this topic with the help of some objects. Okay students? So yes, see, these are water bottles. These are water bottles, and just see, these are the same in size. No, these are the different in size. See, this is a small water bottle, and this is a big water bottle. So both water bottles are different in size. Okay, students. Next. Yes, I have these two lunch boxes. See, this is a big lunch box and this is a small lunch box. Okay, so both lunch boxes are different in size. You know, big means bada. So this lunch box is big and small means chota. This lunch box is small. Okay, next. Yes, this is a water bottle of sanitizer. Yes, this is a big bottle and this is a small bottle. These both bottles are different in size. See, this is a small and this is a big. Yes. Next, we have two toys. See, this is a small toy and this is a big toy. See, this is a small in size and this is a big in size. So, this is a big toy and this is a small toy. Yes. Yes, we have two bows. Yes. These are both are different in size. This is a big bow and this is a small bow. See, these are same in size. No, this is a big one and this is a small one. Yes, we have two markers also. See, both markers are different in size. See, this is a big one and this is a small one. Yes, students, I hope it is clear to everyone to what is big and what is small. Okay, students, so we will do one activity. This is a tag of big and this is a tag of small. I will keep this big and small tag here on the table. And now we will segregate the things according this tag. Okay, students. So now we have two water bottles. Yes, which one is big water bottle? This one. So we will keep it here with the big tag. And this is a small water bottle. So we will keep it here with the small tag. Next, we have lunch boxes. Yes, this is a small lunch box. We will keep it here. And this is a big one. So we will keep it here with the big tag. Next, yes, we have these books. So which one is big? This one is big. So we will keep it here with the big tag. And this is a small one. That's why we will keep it here with the small tag. Next, this is marker. Which one is big? Yes, this one is big marker. So we will keep it here. And this is small. That's why we will keep it here with the small tag. Next, sanitizers. Yes, which one is small? Tell me, which one is small? Yes, this one. This is a small sanitizer bottle. So we will keep it here with the small tag. And this is a big bottle. That's why we will keep it here with big tag. Now, it is the last. Yes, which one is big toy? Which one is big toy? This one. So keep it here. And this is a small toy. So we will keep it here. Students, I hope it is clear to everyone the concept of big and small with this with the picture of these objects. Now, so let's start our classes. Yes. Now, we will do this exercise with the help of picture, big and small ones. See, take the big one and cross the small ones. Look at this, look at here students. These are some pictures. So just find out the big picture and small picture. Question is, take the big one. Okay, just find find out the picture. Which picture is big? So just find out which one is big in both stars picture. This one is big. So take this picture, and which one is small? This one. So just cross it. Okay. Next is there are two balloons here. Just find out which picture of balloon is big. Yes, this one is big. So take, and this one is small. So cross it. Okay. Next is there are the pictures of ball. So find out which one is big. Yes, this picture is big. That's why tick. And this one is small. So cross it. Okay, students. So this is the exercise of big and small with the help of pictures. Now next is take the smaller number and cross the bigger number. Smaller number means छोटा number and bigger number means बड़ा number. So you have two numbers here. Just find out which one is bigger and which one is smaller. You know students, bigger means बड़ा, smaller means छोटा. Okay. First is 9 and 11. Tell me which digit is bigger in both numbers. Which number is bigger in both numbers? इन दोनों में से कौन सा नंबर हमारा बिगर है? Yes, बिगर को हमें क्या करना है? क्रॉस करना है. So which one is bigger? This one. 11 number is bigger than 9. So cross the 11 number. And which one is smaller? 9. So take the smaller like this. Okay. Next is 12 and 10. So tell me which one is bigger? Yes, right. Which one is bigger? 12. 12 is bigger. So cross it. And which one is smaller? 10. Take. Next is 24 and 42. 24 and 42. Listen students, ऐसी कंडीशन में बेटा जहाँ आपको दिख रहा है कि 2 डिजिट्स है और आप लोग फाइंड रिकॉग्नाइज करने में प्रॉब्लम आपको लिए, तो यू डू वन थिंग. फर्स्ट डिजिट को आप बेटा फर्स्ट चेक करेंगे. जैसे यहाँ पे लिखी फर्स्ट डिजिट इज हियर 4 एंड फर्स्ट डिजिट इज हियर 2. सो व्हिच वन इज स्मॉलर? 4 or 2? 2 is smaller. That's why this digit is smaller and this digit is bigger. Okay, this number is smaller and this number is bigger. तो हमें smaller number को क्या करना है? Take and bigger number को करना है cross. Okay. Next 23 and 32. Same. If you are confused, just check first digit. It is 3 and here it is 2. Which one is smaller in both digits? This one. 2 is smaller than 3. So 23 is smaller and 32 is bigger number. So yes, take the smaller number and cross the bigger. Okay. Next is here 70 and 71. इसमें भी confusion होने की नहीं है बेटा. Same है ना. Just look at the first digit here. This is 7 number and this is 1 number. Which is smaller here? 1 is smaller here. That's why this number is smaller and this number is bigger. So 17 is smaller. So take the number 17 and 71 is bigger. So cross this number. Next is here 8 and 24. Okay. So tell me which one is smaller? Definitely 8. इसलिए आप easily find out कर सकते हैं. 8 is the smaller number and 24 is bigger number. So we can take in front of smaller number and cross in front of bigger number. Next is 5 to 52 and 4040. Just find out the first digit. Yes, it is 4 and it is 5. So which one is smaller in both digits? Which one is smaller? 4. 4 is smaller. That's why 4040 is smaller number and 5 to 52 is bigger number. So cross the smaller one and cross the bigger. Next 5 to 52 and 4040. So find out which one is bigger and which one is smaller. So just see the first digit 4 and here is 5. Which one is smaller? 4 number is smaller. That's why 4040 is smaller number and 5 to 52 is bigger number. So make a tick in front of smaller number and cross in front of bigger number. Next, 91 and 81. Again, just watch the first digit. Here 9 and here 8. Which one is smaller? 9 and 8. 9 and 8 is a smaller number है 8. 8 is a smaller number. That's why 81 is smaller and 91 is bigger. So make a tick. And smaller number can just cross the bigger number. Okay, students. Next, 7 and 9. Which one is bigger? 9. So make a cross here, and 7 is a smaller number. That's why here. Next is here 12 and 20. Just watch the first digit. Here the first digit is 1, and here the first digit is 2. So which one is smaller, 1 or 2? 1 is smaller. That's why 10 is a smaller number. So make a tick here, and 20 is a bigger number, so positive. Okay, students, I hope it is clear to everyone this concept big and small. So do practice at your home. Thank you so much, students, and have a nice day.